My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Ford Swift Monza. This vehicle has done just under 2,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge. We also have lots of storage above as well as below. Moving on to our first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our touchscreen we can access valet mode and voice control, Ford Pass Connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings and emergency assistance, mobile apps, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And as we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.